Hi everyone, it's that time of the week. I wasn't going to record this video this week because I'm not getting the views. I used to get at least 100 views on this video, and I haven't been getting that the past month or so, but I figured, you know what, it doesn't take me that much to record this, and there are a few of you that do really enjoy this, so it's not that much effort. And for those of you that do enjoy it, it's not really the views that I'm after. If it helps and folks like to see it and they enjoy it, why not make it? So I'm going to record it anyway. So here is what I'm wearing for this week. So the first two outfits are carryovers from last week. I didn't wear them, so I changed up, because what's happening is I'm putting up too many outfits, and during the weekends I don't really want to wear outfits that are really more work related. So I changed my strategy this week, and I only put up 5 outfits for work, and then I put up the 6th outfit for the weekend. So here's the first shirt with the word Savage on it. So can you see? It says Savage. And then we have the pants that go with it. Why is this not working? I don't know what's wrong here. Okay. And then we have this shirt. Okay. With these pants. Okay. Then I have this green top with a pair of army pants, the same as the Walmart ones, same Walmart type pants. Then I got this new top from Lane Bryant. I got a bunch of Lane Bryant clothes I ordered. So I have this new pretty Lane Bryant top with ruffled sleeves with some navy blue pants. Just some navy blue pants. And then I have just this blouse. It's got a little zipper there. It's just this multicolored blouse. Just gonna wear that with a pair of black jeans. And the jeans do have, I think they have some design in it down at the bottom. No, these are just a pair of black jeans. Then that's my 5 work week outfits. And then I've got just a purple top with a pair of jeans. Okay, so those are the outfits for the week. And I will take you over to show you the wigs that I matched with them. All right, here we are. We have the wigs that I'm gonna wear for the week. So I have, carrying over from last week, I have Sunset in Auburn Sugar. I have Gayle in Auburn Blend. I have Renee of Paris Lane that I just purchased recently that I showed you in my live in Coffee Latte. I have a Vivica Fox in Goldie V. That's an old one that I've done a long time ago. Then down in the bottom, I have Kona in Coffee Without Cream. And then I have the Paramount Wigs Purple Fiona. And that's it. Those are my 6 wigs for the week. So that takes me up until Saturday. All right, so that is it. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. For those of you that do watch this video of the week. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, I appreciate you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.